Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to save your Weebly website without publishing it. It's a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here at weebly.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you want to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, get started with logging in, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. Once you open up your website in this home page, here at the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as overview, website, items, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with editing and setting up our website without publishing it. Basically, guys, what we're looking for is right here in the upper right corner. Clicking the edit side button right here in the main overview page is going to open up this new editor where we'll be able to access our editor and start editing our website. So it's going to look like this. Is going to give us a preview of how our website looks, and we'll be able to access even more options for managing our website, such as our header, as you can see right here, main banner, footer, and so on. So you can get started with editing it. So basically guys, what you want to do is set up your website, set up the design, set up everything you want, and once you're satisfied, just click on preview right here, and after that you can exit out. But yeah guys, basically if you do not want to publish it, what you can do is not click the publish button right here. So you do not click the publish button, and this is going to skip the publishing part, so you can just save it right here as you can see and exit out. So after exiting out the editor, it's going to automatically save it, and once you have saved your settings, you'll be able to publish it whenever you want. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.